Welcome to the Conrad Maldives, room 335. So before you come in, they have like this little door thingy where you can select if you want them to clean your room or you don't want to be disturbed. This is what it looks like going into your room. So when you first get in, there's like a little bar with a tea kettle, coffee maker. That's free. Water's free, but all this other stuff is not. Let's see what's in the fridge. All this stuff is not free, but the milk right here is included. There's also a wine fridge. These are not free either. On the right side, there's just a little closet, walk-in closet with like a life vest and some slippers. They gave us 4, but there's only 2 of us. And here is the bathroom with the tub that's looking over the pool and the ocean. So that looks very nice. And dual sinks. Here is the rainfall shower. And there's the toilet and a couple bathrobes. So we got a superior water villa with a king bed. And Maruhaba, that means welcome. And there's a couch if you just want to sit down and look into the ocean. Here's a TV that we probably never use that. And those diamond members, they gave us some champagne. There's some chocolates in here, marshmallows, and some fresh fruits. And there's their little welcome letter. And outside is a pretty spectacular view of the Indian Ocean, and we have an infinity pool. And you can see the other villas here. We're already seeing a bunch of fish here and some sharks, some baby sharks, so it's pretty cool. They have a little covered area where you can lounge. And they have a table if you want to eat your breakfast, lunch, or dinner here, because they have room service. Let's walk over here. They have a little shower where you can wash up before you come back in. Wash off all that salt water. And you have access to the water right from your water villa. So this is pretty cool. There's lots of fish here and some turtles, so. Yep, that's the little tour.